7-12 for you guys in Nolan Pipe and Steel, and I've done 713, which is much the same. As Fisk Corporation is trying to improve its inventory control system and has installed an online computer at its retail stores. Yay! Fisk anticipates sales of 49,000 units and an ordering cost of $8 per order and carrying costs of $1.60 per unit. Okay, so it gives us relatively simple formula. It looks kind of complex, but it's pretty dang easy. The economic ordering quality is what we're trying to find out here, right? And EOQ is equal to 2 times the sales in units times the per order cost divided by our carrying cost, C, and we need to take the square root of that. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, a couple different ways. Sometimes I like to just break it up, and so I'll look at that and I'll say, well, let's see, 2 times my sales in units, so I could say that that's equal to this, right? Equals this times 2. Okay, and then the next thing is I have to take that times my per order cost, or times $8, so I can simply say this is equal to this one times my per order cost. Okay, so 784,000 wrap, but then I have to divide it by C, my carrying cost, which is $1.60, okay, per unit. So so this is simply equal to that one divided by, I got that backwards, sorry. Let's do that again. This one divided by my carrying cost. So I'm at 490,000, right? But now I still have to take the square root of that. Okay, I've got the square root of that I have to calculate, and again, we can do that a couple different ways. One of the easiest is to go ahead. I'll exit out of here so I can show you guys. But you come up, hit that, go to square root, which would be under math and trig, just to kind of show you. And it's all alphabetical. I'm pretty sure it's under math and trig. There it is, square root. Okay. And what number? I want to take the square root of that number, or the square root of this number. They're the same, right? Okay, is equal to 700. Okay, that's one way to do it. Another way to do that, by the way, is just to say that it's equal to this number, and hit shift and my little tent, and then parentheses to the 1/2. Okay, to the 1/2 power is the same as saying to the square root. Hit enter and we get the same answer, right? Okay, so then it says, well, how many orders per year will I be making? Well, what we have to do here is if our economic ordering quantity is 700, right? But I'm going to sell 49,000. Okay, so this is the most economical size order that I want to do. Okay, and this is how many I'm going to need throughout the year. So how many orders per year? It's just going to be equal to my sales in unit divided by my economic order quantity, right? 70. Okay. The next one, average inventory. Well, I guess pretty tough. If you got to look at a little chart thing, I'll start here with 700 in inventory. I'll sell it off. Boom. Back up to 700. Sell it off. Back up to 700. Sell it off. Right? It's simply my economic order quantity then divided by 2. Okay? Or half of my economic order quantity. However you want to say that is going to be my average. 350 then is what I'd have as an average. So lastly, what does it ask for? It says, what is the total cost of ordering and carrying inventory? Well, that's total annual cost is kind of what we're looking for. I don't know if you guys have that one, but we'll walk through it really quick. So I'm going to make 70 orders throughout the year, and it costs me $8 per order. So this is just equal to my 70 orders times my $8. Okay, and I'm going to have an average of 350 units that I have to pay a carrying cost on. Okay, and so that's just simply equal to my average inventory times my carrying cost. And I add those two together and I'll end up with total costs of $1,120 for the year.